Hello, everyone! Today, we have a real flagship in the world of foldable smartphones in our review, Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Google surprises us again with new features and premium design. In this video, we will analyze the main features, technical specifications, and I will tell you how the smartphone copes with everyday tasks. Let's go. The first thing that catches your eye is the incredible design. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is made of premium materials, folds and unfolds easily thanks to a durable hinge mechanism. The main screen, when unfolded, is an 8-inch OLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. When folded, a 6.3-inch external screen is available, which is convenient to use with one hand. Bright and saturated colors, deep black. Everything we love about OLED screens. Cameras are one of the strongest advantages of the Pixel line, and the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is no exception. It has a main unit with 3 modules: a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom. The front camera is 10 megapixels, which provides great selfies. Thanks to Google's unique algorithms and AI enhancement system, even night photos are detailed and bright. Inside the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is the latest Google Tensor G4 processor. This chip provides high performance, instant image processing, and excellent power management. The 4,650 mAh battery supports 45-watt fast charging and 15-watt wireless charging, which is enough for a full day of work. Of course, the main advantage of the device is the flexibility of the format. The foldable screen is ideal for multitasking. You can work with several applications at the same time, watch videos, or edit documents. Google has also improved the software for foldable devices. The interface is adapted for the large screen, and the exclusive features of Android 14 make using the Pixel 9 Pro Fold incredibly convenient. All in all, the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is a powerful and innovative device that combines the best features of the Google Pixel flagship with the convenience of a foldable format. If you're looking for something unique and productive, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold is definitely worth your attention.